Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka kinhun menteri ka Sorkar jilla ha ka sngi palay kala ai ka jing Mynjur ban Seng ya ka Greater Shillong Waste Management Agency bat ban register ya ka kum ka society. Henry ulo ongpat ba ka jing shakri jong ka ni ka agency kanum long ka bahap ban lebet lani mandatory Henry on ai ka jing shakri tang halor ka jing karpat na kishnong kitha. Habakran bat kila pathai kubor Umentri rangba ukonrat ke sangma ulai thu ba ya kanie karai lasyam hadin ka jinga selok hakeleng ki jaka jong kasor Umentri rangba uloong ba kalong kabadon kambha ban Seng ya ka Greater Shillong Waste Management Agency ya kanie lale hadin ka jinga selok bad kumba shispa tli kishnong ki badon hapo ka Greater Shillong kabadon kumba arspa prapupra point san square kilometer barok kini ki jinga selok kilalong ha kishnong ba pero ha ka jingnang he kasor kalayat stat palat ya ka rukom lum ya ki jabo jaban namar ka jingnang phia ya uput usang ka Shillong kalanang he bat ka jingkala sor kalayat stat bha Henry ka rukom lum ya ki jabo jaban lale daki agency ba pero ha kaleng ki jaka namar ka jingdon da uput usam bat ki bor trekam ba pero ki bor trekam kom ka cantonment board ka khmi ya ki jaka cantonment ka municipal ka khmi ya ki jaka municipal bad ki jaka bashabar ka municipal ki hap hapo ka 6th schedule bad ki hap hapo upot ki district council kumta ka judon bet ka jingduna ha ka jing trailang bad ka jingbam byang ka rukom trekam ka balam sha ka jinglum ya ki jabo jaban banum don ha upot babaro ki yakwa
of Greater Shillong Waste Management Agency and the registration as a society. As you are aware that Shillong is growing and urbanization is taking place at a very rapid pace. But the waste management and the overall collection of waste is being done by different agencies in different parts because of jurisdictions that are there in terms of the institutions that are present, and each institution having a jurisdiction of their own. Like the cantonment board has the jurisdiction in cantonment area, the municipal board has jurisdiction in municipal area, and beyond the municipal area, it is the 6th schedule area, and the district councils have their jurisdiction. And hence, there has always been a lack in coordination and sometimes inefficiency, which has led to the management of waste not being at the level that one would desire. And hence, there was a strong need for a creation of a Greater Shillong Waste Management Agency. This has been done, of course, after consultation with close to about 100 localities in the Greater Shillong area, which is about 100 plus 190 square kilometers, if I'm not wrong. And all these discussions have taken place with different localities, and more or less, the Greater Shillong planning area is covering 288 kilometers, 288.5 square kilometers. So it's a large area, and as I said, different agencies have different jurisdictions. And as I said, there's a strong need to have some kind of an agency that would be able to coordinate and improve the overall efficiency of the garbage collection and management. And as I said, if you look at the overall size, there is a lot of difference in the collections that is taking place and a huge scope for overall improvement. What is important in this is that, number one, consultation has been done with different localities, and they've given their response, and the majority of the localities have responded positively. We have also taken comments from district councils, especially Khasi Hills District Council and other departments. They've raised certain queries about how district council will be involved and not involved, and we have clarified to the district councils on that matter. But what is important about this agency is that it is not a mandatory service that you will need to avail. It is an agency that will be created, but the final decision whether to use the services of this agency or not will lie with the respective localities. And as and when the localities desire that this agency provide the services to them,